Actually, hindi na siya bago. But kaka-loan ko lang at kaagad kong natanggap yung funds sa aking bank account, guys. Hindi pa umabot ng 5 minutes. And I've seen improvements sa product na to na ino-offer ng ganitong lending company. If you want to know kung ano to, then keep watching. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here, the original Utang Queen. And kung hindi pa kayo subscribe kaagad, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe sa channel na to, subscribe na kayo because here we talk about loan apps, loan platforms. Pinapakita ko sa inyo yung meron para at least may heads up kayo, guys. So this video is not sponsored. It's based on my personal experience. Matagal na akong may account sa loan app na to. Even before pa siya nagkaroon ng cash loan, product loan. So I guess by now, alam nyo na kung ano yung loan platform. And that is Home Credit. And I want to focus on Home Credit na cash loan. You heard it right. 5 minutes lang, guys. Wala nang tatawag. Matatanggap mo kaagad pagkatapos mong i-fill out yung mga necessary information sa form. I just want to give a shout out to Amy Gonzalez. Siya po yung nag-bring sa attention ko via Facebook na nagbago po si Home Credit.
Ate Red, may bago si Home Credit. Medyo maliit ang interest nila at ang bilis makuha ng loan sa mismong app nila. Ang process, agad tapos send nila sa bank account mo. Wala pang 5 minutes na send na agad. Hindi tulad noon na pupunta ka pa sa Western Union para kumuha ng loan ni Home Credit. Online lang, send agad nila.
So ayun, napunta kagad ako, guys, sa aking Home Credit na application. As you can see here, meron na akong existing loan sa kanila. May 11 payments pa bago matapos. The good thing is that kahit na may existing cash loan ka, you can avail of another cash loan if may offer. So to check kung merong offer, lalabas po yung offers for you and hihingi po siya ng income information and then click check your offers. Ika-calculate niya yon. Siguro mga 2 minutes. And lumabas na merong akong offer na 42,199. It's just like last time, which nag-hesitate ako ng kunin kasi akala ko parang may bug yung system plus medyo mataas yung interest than my first na cash loan. But anyway, click okay, got it. Move ko lang daw yung slider or yung calculator para to check kung magkano yung kukunin ko at magkano yung magiging monthly. Between 42,000 and 10,000 pesos, syempre, I went with 10,000 because, guys, bigger utang means bigger responsibility or obligation. Remember that Home Credit is legit, submitting entity sa CIC. So, yung ating record sa Home Credit ay nare-report at magiging part siya ng ating credit history, which is also the basis na ginagamit ng ating ibang mga loan platforms kung pauutangin tayo o hindi. Anyway, so yung 10,000, guys. And then, lalabas po yung terms na offer niya. Short as 12 months or 1 year or pwede ring 36 months. At least mukhang may flexibility ka na dito. So remember that the longer the term, syempre, malaki rin yung napupunta sa interest. Sometimes, it's good to go with the shorter term. However, yung dito, yung pinakamababa is 12 months. So 10,000 at 12 months lang or 1 year is 1,382 pesos per month. Yung amount na to, pwede pa tong pababain kasi may option ka na tanggalin yung fees. And para mapababa pa further yung monthly installments mo kasi 1,382, medyo mahal na rin, no? Click no protection under borrower protection to take 100 pesos off per month. Kung tatanggalin mo daw to, you won't be able to avail free monthly installments in case of hospitalization and only telemedicine. Para siyang insurance. So sure ka naman na mababayaran mo naman siya every month, then it doesn't make sense to pay for additional fees for that. Anyway, so, yun, 1, 2. And further, para mapababa pa to, pwede mo ring tanggalin yung loan extra care. May reminder naman siya, guys, na if yes, magkakaroon ka ng added charge ang iyong payment extension, due date, and early payment request. It will result to other fees. That is why only remove these 2 extra charges kung alam mo naman na satisfy mo yung obligation every month. Kung tatanggalin mo yung dalawang to, at least 1,193 na lang siya. Scroll down, makikita mo na meron po siyang processing fee which is uniform sa lahat ng mga loan amounts. Kasi yung dati, yung 80 something yung kinuha kong loan, yung processing fee niya is 500. At least it's constant, guys. So dito sa 10,000, it's also 500. Kaya yung matatanggap is only 9,500 dahil kakaltas niya po yung 500 na processing fee. So, yung interest na assign sa akin is 6.95. Some people get interest rates na mas mababa pa dito, which is good for them. Others, ganito. Ilalagay mo yung loan purpose and then also i-indicate mo rin yung kung saan mapupunta. You have choices through over-the-counter or offline payment methods, but this one is yung credit to bank or mapupunta sa bank account mo is more convenient. So, pagkatapos mo niyan, hingi po siya ng additional information. Basically, home credit just needs you to update certain information even if matagal ka nang merong ganito, pero humingi pa rin siya ng updates such as hingi siya ng bagong selfie, magpapa-upload siya ng bagong ID, income information, stuff like that. So, hingi rin siya ng cash out, requires update. I had to put my bank account again. And then, repayment, sinabi kong ADA or automatic debit arrangement. Although you also can pay in other ways. But, wala lang. Feeling ko lang kasi mas malaki yung chance ma-approve pag automatic debit arrangement. Before tayo mag-continue, take note na any loan platform, wala po silang karapatan na kaagad po silang magdi-debit or kukuha ng payment sa bank account nyo unless meron kang pinirmahang agreement na isasubmit per bank for approval. So, hindi yung basta-basta na yung loan app, basta-basta na lang kukuha ng pera mo sa banko unless you have given them prior permission. So, moving on, contact reference, humingi po siya ng dalawa. You can also submit additional emergency contacts but it's totally up to you na. And then housing type, I was honest about it. Rented. Hihingi po siya ng selfie and susundin mo lang yung instructions sa pagkuha ng selfie and then magsasubmit ka ng bagong ID if home credit needs you to submit a new ID. Mga IDs na tinatanggap nyo are UMID, PhilSys, driver's license, postal ID, voter's ID, and PRC. May instructions po sa pagkuha ng ID, dapat walang glare, klarong-klaro yung lahat ng details. You can retake until you're satisfied with the image that you have taken. Then, meron pang additional information like your current address, permanent address, your mother's maiden name, and then your email address. Also, you also need to have to provide your work information unless andun na siya. Just fill in the missing information or kung may kailangan i-update nyo na lang. Makiklik mo na yung confirm. It took mga 2 minutes and then I received a note na my application was approved. Di-display din yung home credit yung breakdown ng loan mo and then yung fees. It's transparent enough to say na kakaltas po siya ng 500 and therefore yung matatanggap mo is 9,005. So wala na siyang other fees, yun lang yun. I-click mo yung review files because it's a must din guys na makita mo yung lahat ng particulars about your loan. Please take note na nandun sa cash loan agreement mo yung other conditional charges or mga kung sakali na example magpapa-change ka ng due date, may charge, may monthly penalty, termination fee, yung mga ganun. So anyways, kung buo na yung isipan mo, then you just click sign loan agreement and then mag-OTP ka po. And then, ayun, wala pang 5 minutes, tanggap ko na kagad yung 9,500 sa aking bank account. After ko natanggap yung loan, pagbalik ko ng app, then kaagad naman siyang nag-update. Dalawa na yung cash loan ko. Yung original, yung first one was 4% lang yung interest. Now, it's 6.95. And andun rin naka-state na yung amount. So, after 12 months, I end up paying 14,000 pesos, which is not bad, although I'm not saying that it's good. And then, yung kailan ako magbabayad, yung schedule of fees ko, bali, andon. So, everything that's related or everything that's related sa loan ko is stated there. So far, if I'm going to compare home credit cash loan now with home credit cash loan before, the process is much simpler and straightforward and convenient kasi wala ka nang kakausaping rep. Lahat online, unless na lang siguro if they need to call you and do manual checks. But sa experience ko so far, wala nang tumawag. At ang bilis guys, kasi yung first kong cash loan, humintay pa ako ng 2 business days. Ngayon, wala pang 5 minutes, tanggap mo na siya kaagad. Medyo lengthy lang yung pag-submit ng form, pero kung approve ka, I guess the effort is worth it naman. Yun lang, if sana babaan pa nila more yung interest, hopefully, and sana ma-offer na nila yung kwarta. So, I hope guys, meron kayo natutunan. That's home credit. I hope na every time nag-loan kayo, pinag-iisipan nyo ito ng tama. Because, like I said, may mga fees po na associated sa kada loan. And these are things that we really need to consider. So, kung hindi pa kayo subscribe sa aking channel, please consider subscribing because ito po yung mga topics natin. And if you want to see vlogs about legit na mga loan apps that I'm comfortable na sabihin na okay, then you can check this playlist. So that is all for today. I hope to see you on my next vlog. Bye!